Our top story this midday, COVID-19 is on the rise again. The Delta variant is going around the country, and here in Tennessee, we're seeing another spike in cases.
Governor Bill Lee fielding question after question this morning about the state's COVID-19 situation and his administration's response. Austin Martin is at the WATE.com alert desk. And Austin, what is his message?
Well, the governor talked about a lot this morning. First up, the Delta variant. Lee said his team is being diligent, monitoring the situation, and that they are watching the increased numbers. The governor spoke to those Tennesseans still on the fence about getting vaccinated, saying it is the most effective tool in managing COVID-19. He reminds everyone that vaccines are available in every county in a variety of other places. He went on to say he will not make it a requirement. He says that's just not the government's role.
The government's role is to provide information, to provide education, to provide access, to provide the vaccine. It's not to mandate, to require. It's not to blame. It's not to shame those who choose not to. It is to create an environment where people can make a personal decision about the vaccine. We will continue to encourage people to do that. We know that people make decisions on vaccine choices because of their interaction with trusted voices. I think people trust their doctors more than they trust the government.
Now, also, the governor addressed the firing of state vaccine coordinator Dr. Michelle Fiscus. He says all of his commissioners, including the health commissioner, make personal decisions in the best interest of their department and the people of Tennessee. As for marketing vaccines to children, he says the state should only be targeting adults and that parents are the only ones to make that decision for them. At the alert desk, Austin Martin, WATE.com.
All right, thank you, Austin.